Welcome to another StreamLine tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to find movies. So we're going to start off on the movie tab. And you can see there's several different add-ons to choose from down below. So it just depends on what you're looking for. Generally you can find pretty much everything in the different add-ons. We're going to look for some recent movies. So my favorite places are 123 Movies and Phoenix. We're going to start with 123 Movies and then go to Most Viewed. That's going to show you what people are watching the most right now. So we'll select that. And then you can see here there's a list of 41 different movies that are all recent. Nice thing about 123 Movies is it is a one-click player, meaning that you just click one of these and it will just go ahead and start playing. So I'm going to go ahead and select The Martian and hit play, and it remembers that I had already tried going in there before, or actually I watched it before, but there it is. So now we're playing the movie, and if we press up, we can actually skip forward 10 minutes. If you press down, you can skip back 10 minutes. To the left is back 30 seconds. To the right is forward 30 seconds. If you hit OK on the remote or Enter on the keyboard, it'll pull up this menu here, and you can play, pause, stop, skip forward, fast rewind. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop this and go back up one. And from here you can see you've got top internet movie database. You can go by genre or year. I'll select year, and let's go to 2016. And if you go to the left, you can just pull out this slide out menu and change the view. I like to have the thumbnail view. It lets you view things a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and go out there, go into Phoenix, and then new releases. And again, I'm going to go to the left and change this to the thumbnail view so I can see things a little better. And you can see in this particular app we have 63 different recent movies. And this works a little different. You click one of these and you have two different options. So if one doesn't work, you can try the other. So we'll try link 1, which looks like it's going to be working just fine. But if it didn't, we could choose the second link. And this works the same. If you press up, you're going to skip forward 10 minutes. You can see that there was some subtitles in there, some foreign subtitles. If the movie has not been released yet to the rentals or Redbox or any of that kind of stuff, then there's nothing you can do about foreign subtitles. Once it is actually released, then it won't have the subtitles, and that's not going to be everything. Some things will have subtitles, sometimes they won't. So things automatically update as the better versions come out. So let's go ahead and search for something a little bit older. One Channel is a great place to find a lot of older stuff. And the bad thing about One Channel is it's going to be pretty much everything in standard def. But I mean, you can find old TV shows and old movies in here. I'm just going to search for Shawshank Redemption. So Shawshank. And you don't need to type in the whole movie name. But if you do, it's going to come up a little bit faster. So there's Shawshank Redemption. And you can see it already says SD right there. So it's in standard def. I'm going to choose one of these first ones here because I already know that these ones will fail. I just want you to see what an error looks like. So I'll choose this one here. And you can see was not able to resolve it. So if that happens, just pick the next one. So you just go back, select it again, and choose one of the other ones. So I know that this one is usually pretty good, so we'll try that. And yeah, it is good. So now the movie's playing, and you can see right here that it's in 480. So that's standard definition. If we can find a better version, I want to watch it with higher quality. So I'm just going to stop it, and I'm going to back out of One Channel. And let's go ahead and try it in Exodus. So again, we go to Movies and search, and I'm just going to type in Shawshank again. And there it is. And see, as opposed to the other apps that I was showing you that are 1 click and 2 clicks, these ones actually give you a lot of different sources to choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and go out of here. I don't want to watch it in standard def. You saw it said SD on all of those. So let's go ahead and go over to Niter and see if we can find it in HD over there. You know, it is an older movie, so they're not always going to be in HD, but let's do some searching and see if we can find it. So Niter here and Shawshank, and okay, and there it, oh, yep, and there it is in HD. And as you can see on the bottom right, it is in 1080p. Awesome. So it was worth searching around a little bit. So now we can go ahead and watch this in 1080p. Now, if you had this on Blu-ray or DVD, you know, it can take a lot longer than, what has it been, 2 minutes to find your movie. Whereas in here, I just searched through 3 different programs and found it that quickly, and I found a great copy of it. So those are just a few of the options. Of course, you can go down the list and find something else, but that's the basics on how to use it. So happy streamlining.